Awesome. Oh, if I could have you just drive up just a little bit out of the...
Oh, okay.
Yeah, thank you though. Yes. No, turn the wheel. Turn the wheel this way.
Turn it.
Yeah, like before, yeah, to the left. And then just drive up.
Okay. So like,
Turn the wheel more. That's good. Oh, a little too much. Reverse a little bit. Just a little bit. That's good. That's it. That's what got you.
oh wow.
Yeah.
Love that.
Souvenir. Let me cut the stuff off. Where did I put my knife? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it was right here.
Does it like tell you like how much air's on or like?
I just go. It's on the door. I can show you if you want to open it. It's right here. So it's saying 30 in the front, 29 in the back. PSI. Yeah. Have you checked your tires yet?
Like all of them?
Yeah.
No.
Okay. While I'm here, I'll just add it all.
Thank you.
Yeah. It's like a glue. Yeah. Oh, you feel it? Yeah, if you want to, it's like a...
Okay.
No. It only works if it's a nail. Like if it was bigger, I would tell you. But it sucks that you got the nail, but it was fixable. Yeah, and your tires are good. Like these tires are good. So you replaced them recently, kinda?
I recently bought this car like a year ago. So
Okay. So they must have changed the tires. That's good. I'll just show you the DOT. These last 4, the last 2 are the year. So 23, that is from 2023.
Okay.
So that's good.
How long does it last?
I'd say like look at replacing it after 5. So 2028. Do you drive a lot?
I live in Virginia.
Oh, so you are driving quite a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't worry about it till like...
Is it, that's what it's 32?
Yeah, I put it at 32.
Is that too much there? Like, is it possible to overfill them? Or?
Yeah, but you'd have to put a lot. Like anything over 40.
Is there going to be more air coming out of the tire? Like, even...
So yeah, with the cold air, that rule of thumb is like every 3 months. Check just all the pressure in all the tires every 3 months.
Okay.
But you should be fine. Does the light come on?
It does, but when it's like really low. It didn't come on today.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I don't think it was like low enough for it to come on. I don't know what like pressure it has to be for the light to come on.
Oh, probably like 20, anything in the 20s.
Yeah.
So I put this one.
The tire back.
Oh no, you're good. You're good. I'll just do the other side. All right, you two. Murky's back here. Picked up the tire. Put on a light. Got the trailer tire. We're gonna go install this on a trailer and check it out. Thing's expensive. It was like a $165 after tax. Picked it up at Harbor Freight, and this is my first time changing a tire on a trailer, so it should be pretty straightforward. I mean, I got a bunch of tools. We'll see how it goes. But the guy blew out his tire, and I run a roadside assistance business, and yeah, we're gonna go see if we can get this done, and I'll take you along with me. So let's get it. All right, guys, back at the trailer. So I found a jack point. Just gonna lift it up. Pretty smooth so far. I'm a little worried. Never done one of these. Let's see how it goes. Three. Okay. That should be just come up. That's pretty much it. Maybe jack it up a little more. Let me see. Oh, perfect. Pretty much straightforward, honestly. Just gotta find the jack point on it. Pretty much it. That's it. Awesome, guys.